Hi! Ito na po tayo ngayon. Nasa Alawangin na tayo.
Porket ikaw ang fresh na fresh.
At yung sinaing na yan, ako po ang nagsaing yan. Ang hilaw.
Hilaw. Perfectly cooked.
Perfectly uneven.
Necessary.
Unnecessary. Ayan po ang aming kakainin ngayon.
Look at the pork with a blood clot.
May blood clot. May blood clot na.
There's a blood over there.
And si Yayay naman ang in charge sa pulutan.
The necessary.
You're next to be the pollutant.
And this is the island where we eat each other.
Oh, you're a lesbian now.
Ay, yeah. That's not what I meant.
That's what you meant.
Gamitin kasi nila eh.